It was a beautiful day at Palisades, sunny and with a show of resilience from the community, even as reports came in of a second avalanche reported at Palisades on the Alpine side this afternoon. Thankfully, this time with no one caught in it and no one injured. They reopened the mountain this morning to a long line of eager skiers ready to get out there. Even those who were here yesterday, who watched the avalanche, even those who were trapped in it, who refused to let fear stop them from skiing.
Today it kind of just made sense to fully kit out and just kind of feel fully safe.
Ryan Clatter hits the slopes Thursday morning, ready for the unexpected, geared up with an avalanche beacon and shovel.
And then we have our probe here, which will extend long, and you can kind of, probe through the snow.
It's one day after his helmet GoPro captured panic at Palisades.
His head's up. Yeah. Good thing. Only thing. Wow.
Clatter was on the lift about to ski the KT-22 run when a deadly avalanche hit. He watched from above as rescuers jumped into action to find the 4 people the snow swept away. After such a close call, still the mountain was calling.
I wanted to get out here today and just get a couple turns in and just kind of, feel a little bit more at peace.
Peace comes too for survivor Janet He and her husband Joseph Liu. After she was buried in yesterday's avalanche, today she replaces her lost skis with a smile.
So if you do take a tumble, it's not going to wrench your shoulder.
Lucky to be alive and ready for whatever the mountain brings.
What a guy.
We could hear the booms of avalanche control all morning and throughout the afternoon. Palisades crews telling me, too, that the avalanche debris blocked off the access road to get back up to that KT-22 run. Once they can get snowcats up there, they're going to start running those lifts again so that they can try and reopen it. But for now, that run remains closed.